turns bruised, a heavy gray. Clouds are gathering for the fray. They say I'm the type to bend and sway, but never break. Come what may, this open field, my chosen ground, waiting for the coming sound. The wind begins to softly sigh, a whispered promise in the sky. I came out here to feel alive, to watch the golden chaos thrive. Pollen storm, every part of me is leaving, but I'm still rooted here. Pollen storm, the word I thought I was believing is scattering, my dear, but I'm still rooted here. Remembered faces soft and gone, a love I couldn't hold upon, like seeds that scatter with the dawn. Now just the wind plays its own song. A single bee, a moment's peace, lands on my face, a sweet release. The wind begins to softly sigh, a whispered promise in the sky. I came out here to feel alive, to watch the golden chaos thrive. Pollen storm, every part of me is leaving, but I'm still rooted here. Pollen storm, the world I thought I was believing is scattering, my dear, but I'm still rooted here. The buzzing stops, the air grows still. Just a moment, time stands still. The bee takes flight against its will. I find my strength, I find my will to stand my ground, to face the blast. This golden moment built to last. Pollen storm, every part of me is leaving, but I'm still rooted here. Pollen storm, the world I thought I was believing is scattering, my dear, but I'm still rooted here.